Carveco Maker versus VCarve Pro. Which CNC software is better? So Carveco Maker is designed as an entry-level version of the powerful Carveco suite. It supports both 2D and 3D design, vector drawing, bitmap imports, and toolpath simulations. Maker Plus and Pro expand into more advanced workflows with deeper 3D relief modeling and production features. Its pros include having strong 3D relief and sculpting tools. Even at entry level, it scales easily. You can upgrade to Plus or Pro as your needs grow. However, it is more complex to learn if you only need simple 2D or V carving. Advanced features may feel like overkill for casual hobbyists. VCarve Pro is one of the most trusted CNC software tools for 2D and 2.5D machining. It offers vector design, bitmap import, profiling, pocketing, V-carving, nesting, and limited 3D import. It's stable, widely used, and has a massive support community. Its pros include being excellent for 2D and 2.5D work like pockets, profiling, profiles, and V-carving. It has very polished workflow and highly reliable toolpaths. However, it has limited 3D modeling and sculpting compared to Carveco. Some features require upgrading to the Pro Edition. If your focus is artistic 3D reliefs or advanced modeling, Carveco Maker is the better choice, with room to grow into higher tiers. But if you mostly need reliable 2D and 2.5D cutting, VCarve Pro is simpler and more user-friendly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.